Transform was established back in the year 2000, and over the last decade we would have established ourselves as a dynamic coaching, training and change management practice. And what we do is we design and develop high energy programs that are focused on delivering specific measurable business goals and objectives. A number of our programs have been translated into various different languages, and I would deliver those across here in Ireland, but also across North, Central and South America and in Europe. There's a list of programs then on our website which you can view, and also what we've done is we've put some presentations, some short presentations on our YouTube channel to give people a flavour of what it is we do and how we do it. I think in this current economic climate, training is probably more important than it's been in a long time. It's important that people are motivated and skilled in order to ensure that they create that competitive advantage. It's all important. We work with our clients, helping them to develop the people resource, because the people resource is what makes everything else happen within a business. I remember recently, about 6-8 weeks ago, a client said to me, Kevin, what happens if I train my people and they leave? I said, Jim, what happens if you don't train them and they stay? So it is important at this juncture to make sure that we focus on our people and upskill them and motivate them where necessary. In Transform, we work with individuals on a one-to-one basis. We work with teams, sales teams, management teams, and we work with whole organisations, helping them develop what we call the 3 Ps, which is performance, productivity and ultimately profitability. Well, the philosophy in Transform differs from some other training companies in the industry. Some companies view training as a 1 or 2 day event. We view it as an ongoing process. If too much information is imparted or given to people over too short a period of time, it can be very difficult for them to select the concepts that they want to implement, and therefore the training can fail. So what's important is that our preference really is to deliver it over a longer period of time with gaps in between each of the interventions, which allows people to then practice the skills in between. We also then run what we call reinforcement workshops, which allows groups to come back together again and to look at the concepts and where they've been successful and where they're still struggling. I think the other point to mention is that our facilitators aren't necessarily trainers. They're business people who train. And for us, what's most important is that we deliver results, goals and objectives.